Hello, welcome to Salarybox. If you are a small business owner and you're facing difficulty in managing salary and attendance of your employees, then you can use Salarybox app, which is a 100% safe and secure app. Simply add all your employees in Salarybox by clicking on Add Employees, and you would be able to easily manage salary and attendance of all your employees, whether your employees are working on monthly, daily or hourly basis. If you want, you can go to Manage Attendance and mark all your employees together as absent or present. You can also add PF and ESI deductions of employees in Salarybox. If your company has multiple branches, then you can easily add all of them in Salarybox. Salarybox app also tracks the location of employee so that the employees can mark their own attendance as soon as they reach to their branch. Once employees mark their attendance, you can also check their arrival and departure timings, and if you want, you can also change their timings by yourself. If you have paid some advance to an employee, then you can also keep an account of it in the app, and also these calculations are done automatically in the Salarybox. You can also share salary slips with your employees very easily. To make your work easier, you can also make any employee the admin of their branch so that they would be able to keep track of the attendance and salary of the employees of their branch. You can easily download and view salary and attendance reports in the Salarybox app in PDF and Excel formats. The link to download the Salarybox app is in the description.